In this video, we're going to show you if you have a problem with a program in your phone. You're going to go to programs, all right? You're going to find the actual program by going through the list. It's going to be on there. They are in alphabetical order, so you can find it easy. Now, this is for the people who are having problems with like Messenger or any of the programs, okay? And you want to fix the phone without doing a full factory master reset. So you can actually delete. First, you can delete the actual cache, and then you can delete the info. Okay, so let's go into, I'm going to explain this to you. Let's go into Samsung TV Plus just for the hell of it. Let's go to storage. Okay, so now you can see that the app has data in it, a pretty good amount for just one use. Now the bottom right says clear cache. Now this is the first thing you want to do before you try clearing the data. And the difference is that doing the clear cache is only going to clear the information, so the program, and not your personal information or login or anything like that. So it's not going to lock you out or start over. However, if you do choose the clear data and you want to do that, like you want to this simply erase all the data, auto logins, all that, and use it like it was brand new, like you just downloaded it and started over, then that's what you want to do. So let's go to clear cache. And see, it's actually done. It's actually that quick. That's why I was holding for a little bit, to show you guys that when you clear the cache, it's that quick. It doesn't give you any information about it. You just go out, start over. If you clear the data, you can read here, all the application data will be deleted permanently. This includes all the files, sections, accounts, databases, and everything. So I'm going to do that just to start over, delete that, boom, okay, it's gone. And just because there's the application itself, when you see that 43,000, I'm sorry, 43.56 megabytes, that's the actual size of the Samsung TV Plus, right? So, going out, where's the Samsung TV Plus? Right here. I'm going to show you how to go in there and start from scratch. This is what it looks like when it gets you going there. Press continue. Samsung TV Plus wants to send you notifications. I don't want that, so I'm going to say don't allow. And it's set up that easy. So let's just show you one movie real quick to show you. Let's see, maybe the Apocalypto. It's going to give you the how to use this real quick. And I'm going to just fast forward a little bit here so you can see. And there you go. The actual pretty good movie. But there you go. It's really, really simple to operate. And free movies. Gotta love free movies. There's a lot in there. Samsung TV Plus, check it out. And they're not paying me to say anything for them. I'm just saying when something's free and the video quality is really good, that's awesome.